We are pleased to partner with the Sharjah Research Technology and Innovation Park and Singularity Group to organize this first-of-its-kind Future Summit here in Sharjah. With their rich expertise and the support of our long-standing partner, SRTIP, we are empowering talent to gain the skills and knowledge to become future-ready leaders. Through the summit, we are pleased to advance leadership in knowledge and research and support the UAE's position as a hub for innovation and future-forward thinking.
This collaboration represents a powerful synergy between local ambition and global expertise. BIA's dedication to sustainability meets Singularity's foresight, facilitated by the growing technology ecosystem at Sharjah Research Technology and Innovation Park.
We are pleased to collaborate with BIA on this exclusive Future Summit Beyond Tomorrow, a journey into exponential innovation. At Singularity, we help leaders adapt to a world of accelerating change and empower them to leverage tech to improve lives. Through this summit, we are showing participants how they can use exponentially accelerating technologies to solve global challenges, create positive impact, and lead change for a better tomorrow.